We're all used to sharing our photos with friends and family online. The connectivity built into the EOS M50 allows you to edit, print, and easily share your pictures when and where you want. To use your camera's built-in Wi-Fi capabilities, just download the Canon Camera Connect app for free to your smartphone or tablet. Follow the easy connection guide to help you connect the app to your camera. Once you're connected, your mobile device is the perfect remote control. You can compose your shot with remote live view shooting. In fact, you can even adjust the focus. When you're ready to take the picture, just press the shutter button in the app or set a self-timer. The photos and video will be saved to the camera's memory card. Now, right from your phone or tablet, you can view all the images from your camera. Find a picture you want to upload to social media? Just tap the screen to download it to your mobile device. Want pictures available right away? With the new Direct Transfer feature, you can automatically send a reduced or full-size photo to your mobile device right after a shot is taken. You won't waste time browsing through the camera's images, and you'll be able to share your photos quickly on social media sites. Another option is to send them to a wireless printer, like the Canon IB printer. In moments, you can have prints to share with friends and family. Connecting to the EOS M50 isn't limited to just smartphones or tablets. Want to keep your memories safe at home? You can send backup copies from your camera to your computer. Just install and set up Canon's free Image Transfer Utility 2 software on your computer, and then pair it to your camera using a typical home Wi-Fi network. With the software up and running, just turn the camera on and your image files are copied to a destination folder you've selected on the computer. The Wi-Fi features of your camera allow you to easily create, share, and back up your memories without interrupting your life. Stay in the moment and capture incredible photos and videos with your EOS M50.